Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to post an Instagram story from your PC or laptop. If you use Instagram on your computer and want to upload stories, this workaround is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Now, here's the thing. If you click the Create button on the left side, you'll only see options for posts or AI, but no story option. And going to your profile by tapping on it on the right side and clicking your profile picture just lets you change your profile photo. So we need to use a little trick. Okay, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect or Inspect Element from the menu. This will open the developer panel with a bunch of code, but don't worry, we're not coding anything. At the top left of the developer panel, you'll see a little icon that looks like a phone and tablet. Click on that to enable responsive design mode. Now click on the Dimensions dropdown and select any smartphone device from the list. iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. They both work the same. Once you select the device, click the home icon or refresh the page. You'll now see Instagram in mobile view with your profile picture at the top left and a little plus icon next to it that says Your Story. Click on that plus icon and it'll open your file explorer. Select the photo or video you want to upload. You can add text, stickers, or filters just like on mobile, then click Share to Story or the arrow to post it. And that's it. Your Instagram story is now posted from your PC. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.